Let's delve into building a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. This project introduces key programming concepts like loops, conditionals, and user input. By coding this game, you'll gain practical experience in structuring a program, handling user interactions, and implementing logic to determine game outcomes. It's an engaging way to solidify foundational skills. Welcome to our project on building a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. This engaging mini-project is designed to introduce you to core programming concepts through interactive game development. You'll learn about user input, conditional logic, and more, setting a strong foundation for your programming journey. Building Rock 3. Paper 3 Scissors in Python is ideal for beginners. It balances simplicity with depth, teaching user input handling, conditional logic, loops, and random number generation. These are essential skills for any Python developer. Plus, it's engaging and rewarding, allowing you to see your code transform into an interactive game. Rock 3. Paper 3 Scissors is a classic decision-making game with a circular relationship among choices. Rock crushes scissors, scissors cut paper, and paper covers rock. This balance ensures no option is inherently stronger, making it ideal for illustrating Python's conditional logic. Each choice's interaction is straightforward, yet strategically engaging. Visualizing the game rules, rock crushes scissors, symbolizing solid defeating sharp. Scissors cut paper, illustrating sharp overcoming flexible. Lastly, paper covers rock, showing flexible triumphing over solid. This cyclical interaction forms the basis of the game, perfectly balancing each element's strengths and weaknesses. To set up your Python environment, start by installing Python 3 from python.org. Verify the installation using python-version. Choose a text editor like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Idle. Use terminal or command prompt for running scripts, and familiarize yourself with basic navigation commands like cd and ls. Ensure you have Python 3 installed from python.org, and verify it using python-version. Select a text editor like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or IDLE for coding. Use terminal or command prompt for running scripts, and get comfortable with basic commands like cd and ls for navigation. Import the random module using import random to enable the computer's choice in our game. This module provides functions like random.choice for selecting rock, paper, or scissors randomly. It's part of Python's standard library, ensuring fair and unpredictable gameplay without additional installation.